Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add text in Blender. After starting Blender, we can go to Add Text to add text. Now we can go to Edit the text, select the text, and go to Edit Mode, and then we can delete it, and then we can start to type to edit. I type Add Text. After typing, we can go back to Object Mode. We can see that the text has not the thickness. If we want to make geometry, we can select the text and then go to Object Data Properties and then go to Geometry. We have option to extrude it. And we can go to Offset to make it thickness. If we want to make the round edge, we can go to Bevel and make sure that we select round, and we can increase the depth to make the edge round. But we can see that this is too thick, so we can go to Offset to reduce it. If you're happy with this and confirm it will not be changed, we can use right click and convert it to merge. So this is how we can add text in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.